welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become part of our family. My husband and I, we vlog our vacations and our weekends, and we just have a good time on this channel. And we recently bought a home, so join me in decorating it and getting this together. Speaking of decorating, this video is all about my office. It has been 10 long months and I'm finally getting my office together. So I am going to go around my whole office and tell you where everything comes from. And yeah, I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, you guys, the time is here and welcome to my office. Here it is. But I'm going to go through everything, tell you where I got things from, and I'm going to try my best to link everything that I possibly can in the comment section. Well, no, in the description box. Alright, so let's get started. So when you first come in, you have this flower wall. I purchased the flowers from Amazon, and the foam board, I purchased it from Hobby Lobby. Right here you have the this blush pink bench. I purchased this from Amazon. So yeah, I thought it was absolutely beautiful. Gold stands. All right, this right here I purchased from Amazon. And the plant holder that it's sitting in, I purchased that from TJ Maxx. This was black and I spray painted it white and it turned out perfect. Alright, this bookshelf right here, I purchased from Amazon. My wood knots I purchased from At Home. That piece. This piece was from Ross. This book bag I threw up here was from Ross. This was from At Home. This blush pink throw was from Ross. And the gold basket was from Target. Alright, as we move over here, my curtain rods, those were purchased from Amazon. My blush pink velvet curtains was purchased from Burlington. My gold hooks were purchased from Amazon here. So this lamp I had a while back. Oh, I got that from Walmart and I think that was $5. Gold and white chair is from Wayfair. It just matched so perfect. This desk came from Target. This gold trash can, Target. Let's see, my wrist rest was Amazon. Where did I get this from? Oh, I think Office Max. And my gold pens, Amazon, Ross. My white circle rug is from Amazon. Alright, and over here I purchased this mirror from TJ Maxx. I thought it was a nice feel to the room. And then over here, my tripod I think is downstairs, but I have one of my ring lights up here. And so that's where I'll keep my filming stuff. It's gonna be nice to just finally have a space where I can come that's all to myself. And oh, I forgot about this. This I purchased this calendar, Office Max. So I will be able to plan my content and actually see it and have a visual and be held accountable. So thank you so much for touring my office with me. Yep, so that is my office.